Do you know how many e-commerce platforms actually became profitable in India in the last decade? Well, technically, the answer is zero because either they got acquired like Walmart acquired Flipkart or they were listed like Infibeam, but none of them became profitable on its own. Over 20 plus e-commerce platforms have tried their luck in India in the last 10 years, but none of them became successful until Nykaa, a retailer brand selling beauty, wellness and fashion products, actually came into the picture. This company has grown so much that in 2015, the company expanded from an online-only brand to an omni-channel model, and that is what has helped Nykaa to make it big in the market. Let's discuss the Nykaa success story, which is an inspiring journey for all of us because not too many people at the age of 50 have the courage to quit their job and start a brand from zero. But Miss Falguni Nayar did exactly that at the age of 50 and started a brand called Nykaa. She was born and raised in Mumbai and she has graduated from IIM Ahmedabad along with her husband in the field of finance. She had taken up the job of management consulting after completing her degree in MBA finance, and she had also worked at a very good position in Kotak Mahindra Bank. But in 2012, she started this brand called Nykaa. I wanted you to see the tweet that she made on 29th of October, where she did not even have a display picture on her Twitter account, but the confidence that she had proved it right from day one that she is going to make it big in the industry. So ये Nykaa का idea कहाँ से आया उनको? Well, she visited a brick and mortar store in 2012 of Sephora and she realized that there is a shortage of multi-brand chains in India and that there was a lot of opportunity in this sector. So she could see the demand, she could see the shortage, and she gave up her stellar career at Kotak Mahindra and she turned into an entrepreneur at the age of 50. But what is the business model of Nykaa and how does it earn money? Well, it's simple. Nykaa stores the stock of goods purchased directly from the manufacturers of these beauty and wellness products. After buying the products directly from manufacturers, the products are stored in the warehouses of Nykaa. And whenever there are online and offline orders, products are sold directly from there. Now, in purchasing directly from the manufacturer, the profit margins are high and Nykaa gives a tough competition to its competitors in the market. Nykaa works as an umbrella brand to showcase the beauty and wellness product on its online portals and offline stores. Well, not just that, it also promises to deliver within 1 to 4 days of tenure after the order placement by the customers. But is Nykaa profitable? Well, even after 5 years of their operations, they were looking at only losses and they could touch break-even point after 5 years of operation. But Nykaa has done a great job to lower down the cost of acquiring the customer from 1000 rupees to 200 to 300 rupees till last year. But what makes Nykaa so famous and what are the marketing strategies? Well, one is that they invest a lot on online advertising to promote their product because that makes sure that Nykaa is reaching out to the right target audience in less budget but with a more impact. They collaborate with the right events, like they collaborated with Femina to host the Nykaa.com Femina Beauty Awards in 2015 and 2016. Nykaa also uses digital marketing as a means to market their website and also heavily invest on influencer marketing, heavy discounts and content marketing. They've also signed a deal with Janhvi Kapoor to be their brand ambassador to target the right audience, which is the youth, to buy their products. Now, this has helped Nykaa a lot because the monthly traffic on their website is still about 17 million and the average cart size of Nykaa is as good as any other country, which is somewhere around 1200 to 1600 rupees per order. And 50% of the total customers of Nykaa are routine customers, while for the rest 50%, Nykaa has to advertise a lot on the digital platforms to acquire new customers. But 50% customer retention for a company like Nykaa is a very good number, I believe. Okay, so talking about numbers, let's talk about Nykaa in numbers. First of all, they are already an unicorn and their current valuation stands at 1.2 billion US dollars. They made last year a revenue of 1800 plus crore rupees, out of which the earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization was somewhere around 94 crores already. So they are ready to touch a profit of 100 crores very soon. Nykaa has also made sure that they have gained investors' trust right from day one. They have a total of 15 investors till now, out of which there are big names like Alia Bhatt, Katrina Kaif, Hero Enterprises, TVS Shriram Growth, and many more who have backed them right from day one and even in the tough times of lockdown and COVID-19. Looking at the success of Nykaa in the past 8 to 9 years, it has launched its in-house brand like Nykaa Cosmetic and Naturals, which deals in-house private label of makeup, body care, skin line, Nykaa Fashion, which is clothing and bags. Surprisingly, they also have a brand called Nykaa Man, which deals in men's skincare, hair care and grooming products. And they also have Nykaa Pro and Nykaa Network. So this brand is expanding itself every single day and its future plans are also very strong. Well, if we talk about the future plans, they are trying to expand its offline presence, and currently from 35 to 40 stores, they want to expand around 180 stores by 2024. Not just that, the CEO and founder of Nykaa.com is looking to launch the IPO by early 2022 when the company reaches a valuation of $3 billion. अभी वो $1.2 billion valuation पे है, but you can see in the next 1 year they are planning to reach at $3 billion, and probably they will launch the IPO of Nykaa after that. And the last point is they are constantly looking to beat their competition in online and offline presence as well, through tying up with new and famous brands and also growing their in-house brands. Well, this was it for Nykaa's case study. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. If you want videos on any other topic like this, please put it down below in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.